Oh, God.
Everyone stay calm. We're taking over the ship. I avast. You can't crew this vessel with 2 men. You'll never make it out of the bay. Son, you're forgetting just one thing. I'm Captain Jack Sparrow. Know that, but maybe Buster knows more.
So guys, how was the career fair?
Oh, it was great. Everyone wanted to see my resume, and I got tons of swag.
I don't know why Caltech doesn't get more Mechie jobs. Career fair, more like QCS fair. All these guys want to hire a quantum computer scientist.
Well, okay, Jeff, we'll cheer you up. How about tonight we go to the 322nd anniversary of Caltech's dinner party and just get a bunch of free alcohol?
Buster, we can't drink tonight. Ditch day is actually tomorrow, and we're not going to get it done.
Buster, have you even had the AI generate your clues yet?
I don't know why you need to know that, but maybe Michaela knows more. I don't know much about that, but I do know about the history of the standard picture of quantum gravity. In the early 22nd century, it was discovered that the only short-distance completion of a quantum field theory involving space-times was essentially uniquely determined. Now, the technical details of this theory are rather complicated, and we will explore them later in this class. But importantly, the qualitative picture is that the quantum field theory of space-time predicts changes in topology, quantum fluctuations, resulting in different pieces of space-time splitting and recombining in unusual ways. Now, normally we cannot detect this effect, but one could imagine situations in which these small fluctuations, these connections which bridge different pieces of space and time, could be enlarged, enhanced, so that these effects became classical deformations of space-time. And it seems at least a theoretical curiosity, as no such thing could ever be done. But if it could, one could in principle send classical macroscopic objects backwards or forwards in time. However, being able to accurately predict when and where these quantum fluctuations would occur is nigh on impossible and require technology far beyond that which we know today. There are other technical details involving the short distance stringy completion that can be used for semi-classical models, but I don't really know much about that. But maybe Michaela knows more.
Hey, quit, Colner. I have Sirius to spy on.
Alright, so, we have some orders for you.
Orders? Now? Are you serious? Syria is playing hot potato with chemical weapons, and you're giving me orders right now?
It's from Special Operations Command.
Oh, SOCOM. So, where am I going? Kandahar? Bagram? You've got to be kidding me.
It's a very serious issue.
Bullshit! Who the hell are these blacker anti-terrorism division assholes?
It's a highly selected group.
Are these guys even trained? What mission is this anyway?
You'll be receiving your briefing on the way. Are you
telling me that it's too classified to tell me?
Just be prepared to brief your team at 16.
Classified? No fucking shit, Sherlock. I'm an intelligence analyst, for Christ's sake. What do you expect me to do? I have no idea what this mission is. I'm to have a full mission briefing by morning. Mark my words, Colner. If this team is a bunch of incompetent, hot-headed spec ops ass clowns, it'll be on your hands.
Well, I don't really know why you need to know that, but maybe Steph knows more. Guys, I have to tell you about this. You know that internship I did last summer at Vector Corporation?
You mean the one where you made like 10 times as much money as me?
Yeah, anyway. I've been continuing what I did last summer as a research project during the year because they had that whole like corporate collaboration thing.
See, I've never really been a big fan of corporations getting involved with basic research. Like, I don't like this whole thing that like Caltech should be like the whole new company.
Why did Vector even need to collaborate with Caltech?
No, that's related to what I want to tell you. Look, the project that I'm working on is going public tomorrow.
But it stays tomorrow.
Yeah, it's great. Look, I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you this, so don't tell anyone. It's classified.
Alright, I'll make sure no one else knows except us three.
So, basically, we've developed a quantum supercomputer core that can calculate the space-time coordinates of wormholes. Vector needed the Caltech physics and QCS profs because they were like the only people in the world who understand that shit. They had machines in those sketchy buildings around campus that were just kind of opening them when they detected them.
Yeah.
But now they can calculate where they are and they can control them.
So, does that mean...
Yeah, we can send normal, macroscopic, everyday objects through time.
What do you mean through time?
I don't even know how, like, Here's me with a thing, and I send it back to 5 minutes ago me, and now I have the thing 5 minutes ago. Except not right now, because the machine's not on yet.
Alright, okay. So, let's say I'm a Vector employee, and I have like a fancy new time machine, and I'm like walking along, and I like get in my time machine or whatever, and then like I go back in time, and then what I do is I like sneak up on myself, you know, and like take, you know, it's like a weapon or an ice pick or a pen or something, and I just like fucking start stabbing myself in the back before I get in the time machine. See, you can't explain that.
But the thing is, I can't. It just wouldn't work. You wouldn't be able to find an ice pick, or it wouldn't be you, you'd kill someone else, or you'd just like get lost or something. The thing is, there's one timeline, and it's consistent, and you can't just break it. It's kind of cool, but it's also really weird.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. Because you're saying that like the universe just sort of conspires to hide paradoxes from us.
Look, Buster, don't anthropomorphize the fucking universe. I don't know why you need to know that, but maybe Jimmy knows more.
Well, I don't know much about that, but I do know the ritual is almost complete.
Bring me the amulet.
Yes, Elder One.
I'll be taking that. Why do you even want this trinket so much? I don't know why you need to know that, but I do know that you should go to